Hey everyone, thank you for buying the course. I'm so excited for you to start your journey on designing your own artwork. And so I'm popping in here now just to show you around our Mighty Networks platform. This is where the course lives. And I just want to make sure you can find everything easily. So here we are. You've gotten your invitation to join and you're in the group. The activity feed up above is very similar to what you find in Facebook. You will see posts there. Everyone can post here, everybody can comment, everybody can network and get to know one another. Where the actual course lives is over on the left-hand side here under the Topics tab. And you will find each topic here starting from the welcome right through to the end. You just click on each topic, click into it. You're going to get a little graphic. I will put some notes in here when I need to, and you will find the videos there. This is just the welcome one, but say we go back into topics, you're going to work your way right through. This is the beginning here where I take you on my walk to show you how I source inspiration. So when you click into the topic, you will get the video here. You'll get some inspirational photos that I took along the walk, and you will go from step to step each topic, and you'll work your way right through. At the very end, you're going to find the tutorial for the painting that we come up with. It's an hour and a half tutorial. It's also on YouTube, and there's a link there. You're also going to get a link to all of the photographs I've taken that day, and you are welcome to use those in paintings of your own, to sell, to teach, whatever you would like. Last thank you page has all my social media links in it, and I hope that you'll join me, and because I look forward to painting with you again. And please share any comments, and especially your paintings right here in the activity feed. Any questions, just reach out. I'm always here to answer them. Thank you, guys.